Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. Don't worry, my little chihuahua Mookie will be back next week. She's just on holidays. I'm just going to do a quick drink today. This is called the Elusive Dreams. And it's from the Patterson House in Nashville, Tennessee. Now it's a spin on Cuba's Hotel National cocktail. So I got my cocktail shaker, a little bit of ice, and I got 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. We'll go 3/4 ounce of cinnamon syrup, full ounce of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of Cruzan white rum, and we got an ounce of pineapple rum. And we'll do a 1/2 ounce of banana liqueur. And we're just going to pour that over ice. And I got a nice garnish. And that, my friends, is called the Elusive Dream from the Patterson House in Nashville, Tennessee. And that concludes another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.